In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a Smartsheet workflow for project tracking. We'll go through the full process of getting your sheet ready, organizing your information, and making it practical for real team use. The goal is to create a setup that's simple to maintain, easy to understand, and flexible enough to grow with your process over time. First, open Smartsheet and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll be at the main workspace where you can access existing items or start something new. If you're brand new to Smartsheet, take a moment to look around so you know where your sheets, templates, and sharing options are located. That quick orientation will make the rest of the setup much smoother. Next, create a new sheet or choose a template. If you want full control, starting from a blank sheet is a great option. If you'd rather save time, a template can give you a strong starting structure for project management, task tracking, or team workflows. Choose the option that best matches how you like to work and how detailed your process needs to be. Once your sheet is open, begin adding the key columns you'll need. A solid basic structure includes columns for tasks, owners, dates, status, and notes. These fields help you capture the most important information in one place. Keep your column names clear and practical so anyone looking at the sheet can understand it quickly. This is especially important if multiple people will be updating it. After that, enter your project or workflow data. Add your tasks, assign owners, include due dates, update statuses, and use the notes column for extra context or reminders. Try to keep the data consistent as you enter it. For example, use the same status terms throughout the sheet so filtering and reporting are easier later on. If needed, you can then enhance the sheet with formulas, forms, automations, reports, or dashboards. Formulas can help calculate dates or progress. Forms can make data collection easier, and automations can reduce manual follow-up by sending alerts or updating rows automatically. Reports and dashboards are useful when you want a higher level view of what's happening. Once the sheet is ready, share it with your team. Make sure the right people have the right level of access, whether they only need to view the sheet or actively edit it. Clear sharing helps collaboration stay organized and reduces confusion. Finally, review and improve your Smartsheet setup as your process grows. As your team uses it, you'll start to notice what works well and what could be simplified. Small adjustments over time can make the sheet much more effective, and that ongoing refinement is what turns a basic setup into a reliable workflow system.